Hello guys, today I will be unboxing 613 hair from Hair Factory on Aliexpress, and I ordered the hair on a Saturday and I received it on a Thursday. I got the 14, the 16, the 18 with a 12-inch frontal, and I paid $113.55, and originally the price was $116.55, but I had one of those coupons that saved me $3 off. It's packaged in its cute purple bag, and it has the 3 bundles and the frontal, along with some eyelashes. This is the 16-inch. $14-inch, and the 18-inch. And the frontal. And these are the lashes. This is the 14, 16, and the 18-inch bundle. These are the lashes. And the frontal. Today I will be using 2 boxes of Revlon 60 Dark Ash Blonde, as well as 2 bottles of 61 Dark Blonde. I'll mix these 2 together to achieve the desired look that I'm going for.